Okay, guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we will be plucking our lace fronts. So right here, I'm going to be parting a little section out the little baby hair part from the little head part or whatever. So I'm doing that, and I'm gonna start plucking behind the hairline instead of starting on the hairline. So I'm starting from the top, and I'm just going to closely pull the knot out from the wig, like pull the whole knot, not just the hair, the whole knot out. And y'all gonna see me do the pluck, skip. So I plucked like a little bit of the space you can see, then I skipped the little part right there, then start plucking again in another spot. Then I'm gonna skip another piece and pluck again in another spot, just to see where I'm gonna go deeper and deeper into the wig. I didn't want to mess it too much up, but y'all gonna see how it comes together. From the front, it don't look like much, but from the side is giving. And y'all see that? She look like she's very bald a little bit, so I ain't gonna touch it no more. So now we about to get into the front. It don't matter what you did in the back, but this front, you better take your time. It better be perfect, flawless, however you want it to look, because ain't no going back. So we're just going to keep on plucking and skipping, plucking and skipping. In the front, I did like a kind of, they will be thinner than the ones in the last row that I did. So it can look more natural and lay flat and look like it's really coming out of my scalp. Also, while y'all plucking, please comb out the hair as y'all going so all the shedded hair can fall out. Also, pull back the hair while you're tweezing the hair out, like so you can see your progress and you're just not, the hair's not coming out, but in reality it's coming out and you already have a bald spot. Coming to an end of this section of plucking, you can keep on plucking like more and more because you already know your foundation. Okay, so now we about to use our hot comb so we can push back the freaking hair and see exactly what we done did today. Okay, we will see exactly what we done did, what progress we done made. If we need to tweak it a little bit or we like how it look, we can just leave it. So that's all for today, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video, including this wig, vlogs, pranks, everything. I'm coming with everything, okay? So, tune in. Bye.